Hey everybody, Jordan from Superwall, and today I'm going to show you our new Figma plugin. Using it, you can take your Figma designs using auto layout and put them in our Superwall editor, complete with all of their components and individual layers in just one click. Now to get started, you want to go to the Community tab in Figma and search for Superwall. I'm going to do that, and you're going to want to filter to plugins, and there it is right there. Now from this moment, you can go ahead and open it in a recent file. I've already done that, so I'm going to show you like a hands-on demo of what it looks like. So I'm using a community template here, and let's say I'm interested in this expense tracking template. Well, what you can do is just click on the frame that you're interested in, and then go down to the plugins section and select Superwall. And from there, you just click open in Superwall and you'd be good to go. I do want to call out, we have a few settings you can tweak. You can go ahead and look at those if you would like, but I'll just stick with what I have now. And then you just click open in Superwall. And what we're going to do is pop open a new tab. You choose which app you want it to be in, and it is as easy as that. After the import's done, I've got my paywall, and now I can go through every single one of these and customize the layers, add, remove things, and add in some products, you name it. It's good to go. All you need to do is just be using auto layout in Figma, and you can get this done in one click. Now there is something really interesting I also want to call out, and that is multi-page paywalls. So let's say I wanted all of these to be imported, and I know these are unique designs, but let's say this was a paywall where we had from left to right, step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, so on and so forth. Well, all you have to do is just select all of these frames and repeat that process. Just go ahead and do the import, but now you'll see we have this new UX where you can link these pages together. And when you do that, Superwall is going to import all of these pages from left to right, and it's going to put it inside of a navigation component for you out of the box. So that way you can have a multi-page paywall in just one click. That's really all there is to it. Just go grab our plugin, import your designs into Superwall's editor, and you are set to add products and get shipping. If you have any questions, feel free to leave comments, and as always, we can't wait to see what you make.